Ditch the 9-to-5 sprint and join the digital product marathon, but hurry, the starting line's vanishing. Tired of the hamster wheel? Ever dreamt of passive income flowing like a tropical cocktail instead of sweat? Then stop, scroll no further, and grab your running shoes. My totally free course on crushing it with digital products is about to blast off, but seats are limited and the price tag's about to jump like a gazelle on espresso. Why digital products? Because it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, and digital products are your trusty fuel belt. Build ebooks, courses, memberships, and more. Thrivecart, your all-in-one marketing platform, does the heavy lifting. Think auto payments, sales funnels, and more. In this free course, you will unleash your inner money-making machine, learn the A to Z of creating and selling digital products. Thrivecart Mastery, become a Jedi of this all-powerful platform. Kiss the 9-to-5 goodbye, trade cubicles for coastlines, or cozy home offices, you do you. No BS, just actionable steps. Leave feeling empowered, not overwhelmed. But remember, this freebie's about as stable as a toddler on a sugar rush. Don't miss your chance to kickstart your digital product empire. Reserve your spot now. P.S. Did I mention there's also a secret bonus for early birds? Join the marathon, ditch the sprint, and let's build something truly yours. Act now, enroll for free.